Do you want to migrate your Zimbra emails to Yahoo Mail account? If yes, download BitRecover Zimbra to Yahoo Wizard Toolkit on your system. It provides a straightforward option to convert Zimbra mails to Yahoo account. In the Welcome window, read all guidelines and then after click on the Next button. Now, the program offers two modes to choose Zimbra data from the saved location. First, let's check the Select File option and browse the required Zimbra files from the saved location. Then, click on Open button. User can also check the Select Folder option to bulk upload Zimbra files in a folder from the saved location. Click on Next button. Now, the software analyzes your chosen file and folder and locate in the software interface. Please mark the checkbox of the required Zimbra folders. Tap on Next to continue the process. Enter Yahoo Mail credentials. Now enter Yahoo app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter here created app password. Click on Convert button to start the process. The tool preview the live conversion progress. Conversion completed successfully. Tool convert only 25 emails in trial edition. Go to Yahoo Mail account. Here you can see the migrated folder, click on it. You can see the folder hierarchy. Click on the Any folder and you can see the migrated emails.